What's up, guys? Welcome back to War Room Finance, a weekly finance stream for stocks, crypto, and other investment news and tips. Today's March 30th. Lots of things going on in the market. So let's dive right in.
Hold on. We are not financial advisors. We're just speculating logically and trying to get you guys the news as quickly as we can.
Yeah, so we got yield bonds flipping. We got coins getting hacked. We got Memestock Rally. We got the Altcoin index, and we have a few memes. So let's get it going. Yeah, so this Tuesday, the 2-year and the 10-year yields they crossed and they zero out for the first. The spread zero out this Tuesday morning.
That's crazy.
I have a chart, but this is like the exact zero moment that it happened, where both yields crossed, sort of, I guess, and then like everyone went into panic mode that morning, Tuesday morning.
Yeah, and so why this matters is because historically, when the yields do invert, that signals that a recession is on its way. And when you combine inflation like we have now with recession, you get stagflation, where the economy is slow and prices are going up, and it's not a good combination. So it's not a good sign. It's not guaranteed that a recession will happen, but that's a pretty good indicator, and we saw it. So that's where we are today.
Yeah, so last time we got it was in 2019, mid 2019. But it's hard to say if we had a recession after that because we got COVID. So I don't think that really counts.
You guys were also saying it's also not an indicator of how bad it'll be, right?
Right. Yeah, because a recession. Yeah, there's different varying degrees of how bad it could be, right? How bad you feel it, how bad the economy gets. So yeah, this doesn't tell us that it's Great Depression or anything.
Yeah. So going back to it, we got it in 2019, and that was kind of we don't know what was going to happen exactly. And then the time before that, we got it back in 2006. I don't know, maybe 2006 led up to the 2008 housing bubble, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to say because it flipped like in 2006. Well, yeah. So this is So I guess everything hit the fan in so 2008 started crumbling, and then
that's what.
Oh wow, that 2009 actually. Wow,
so just make a line from up there to down there.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I can do that. I can do
from the very top to the bottom up.
Yeah, so it was, let's go this, I guess that it was
okay, now move it to where we're at right now. I want to see something.
Yeah, let me where's the line? It's here.
Damn, that's big.
Yeah, the line's huge.
Oh. Well, but it'll take us back to 2021, New Year 20, no,
let me see. Let me go back. It was
June 2021.
Oh yeah, it was big. Yeah, if you look at
it. That's a whole year of.
Yeah, it was, and it was almost 2 years of recession, 2 to 3 years.
Which this is a good segment. See how that candle is bursting through the trend line.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you guys, because the stock market has been rallying, early this week. I think it started on Friday last week. Do you guys think that this is a bear market trap, or is the bear market over? What do you think?
My opinion, I guess I'll go first. Sorry about that, but so my opinion is that we hit the bottom 2 weeks ago or last week or so, and now we're just gonna rally. We saw the bottom for the first half of the year, this first bottom. We might get a second one towards the end of the year, but I think this is the first major bottom that we already hit, and we might hit a higher low. Second part of the year. That's
a higher low. I see a higher low, but if we get hit with those rates and it's 0.5, I think people are going to panic.
So Tapes, you're thinking more bear market trap?
No. I do see it like that. We're 4 points away from hitting an all-time high.
Yeah.
That line looks parabolic, bro.
Yeah, it rallied too hard.
Yeah.
both retail and institution kind of messed it up for everyone else. You guys pour too much money into the dip.
You guys.
I think it's also people forget how much money people made during all of this. I think it's also like people made. I mean, they say times like this will make some people really, really rich if they know how to handle the situation, and we know the boomers know how to handle the situation because they've already went through it before. So it's like, I think you guys are kind of right on it going back up, but again, those interest rates, if it does go over, originally it was supposed to be 1.75. And now they're saying over 3.25. That's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, it's double already.
I think
it's crazy.
One topic that I do think that helped out this rally is that, I don't know if you guys remember, but like everyone started. I mean, a lot of people were buying shorts on pretty much anything that they could touch on.
Yeah.
Just because the market was going down. So like, all right, so like the way that I'm gonna like protect myself is buying shorts, and then I was one of those persons that was buying shorts too. Like I was shorting ARK and I was shorting other stuff, and then like what happened is that a lot of people just left their shorts on, and then
about them because they
they forgot about it, and then like when the rally happened, like these guys had to start covering. I mean not like the ETFs, but the actual institutions or like the traders, they had to start covering the shorts. If not, they're gonna get blown out. So I think like a lot of the shorts got blown out and it had to cover. So that could have been another helping factor like for this rally.
Yeah, like that's why I was like, I love the US 30 because
I mean, I'm all for the bull run, man.
Yeah,
I mean, my bags are packed. You know what I mean? Like, I'm all for it. Whatever happens, but just not 2 years of recession, please. You know what I mean? Like, that's too much. Like, you guys are saying like that the last time you guys said it was about 2 years of a recession.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Because people say, yeah, I want a recession. But I'm like, no, like you actually do not want a recession because the recessions come for 2 to 3 years blocks, and those are not pretty. Like,
and it's like it's hard to tell how it affect us now because like we were young when that happened.
Yeah, like most of us don't really remember that are new to this. But look, this thing took long. It started in 2017, and to break even, you had to wait all the way. Oh no, wait. It started in 2007, and then to break even, you have to wait till 2012. So that's that's almost 5 years.
Yeah, but you buy those dips on the way up, dude.
Well, yeah, but how much buying can you take? And remember, like unemployment was 9%, 8%. It was 9%.
It was higher during COVID, right?
We passed that during COVID.
Oh yeah, COVID was 24, but it was 27, but it was only for a month or so, and then it started coming. I mean, it was only for a few months. Yeah.
Buy lentils.
Buy lentils.
Is there a lentil stock?
There's I do not know, but there's commodities.
Probably Kroger. You could get exposure to lentils.
You gotta hit every sector: the distributor, the label maker, everything.
You do the horizontal integration.
Actually, talking about commodities. Where is it at? I think I took it down. Okay, yeah. So this is like the commodity index by Bloomberg, and then let's go to where is it at? Let's go to the 5. Okay, so 5 years, 10 years. Can't really see much. Yeah, so it was starting to go down. See the blue line starting to go down, and then around COVID, 2020, it spiked up. So
what is that?
The commodities. It's kind of like
commodities. Okay. That's like that's for resources like metals, food. Energy.
Yeah, energy.
Yeah, like normal stuff we all use. Yeah, that's crazy that it started spiking up.
Kind of like the bills that we. Yeah,
that's that fear though.
Yeah.
Well, fear and shortage, because remember,
and shortage, right?
Shortage, yeah.
Sure.
So I don't know if you guys know, but I was not aware of this. I've been hearing people saying that we're gonna have a food crisis in the U.S.
Crisis? Yeah, and
I was like,
the president said it, bro.
Yeah, and then I was like, WTF? Like how can that happen if we have Kroger and we have all these massive companies pumping out?
Yeah, but it's like every part of the world has their main export, and it's like, I mean, like for instance, we were getting most of our avocados from Mexico, and they barely started boycotting that because of everything that's going on, because it's cartel money, you know what I mean? But it's like spices, like mainly spices are like, over there in fucking East Asia and all that stuff. And it's like, we're kind of all meshing stuff together because like some climates don't support certain crops and stuff.
Yeah. And I know like a lot of our wheat actually comes from Ukraine and Russia. So our wheat, supplies are disrupted.
Yeah, so I think like they make up about 12 to 14% out of the whole world, Ukraine itself.
That's a lot.
That was a lot. So if fuel prices went up to like $7 a gallon now,
is it $7 already?
Yeah, it's $7. It's $7 in LA.
I paid $6.50 the other day, and it was down the street from my house, so it's already coming to Pacoima.
that Arco or what?
Yeah, it was Arco too.
Even the cheapest gas is like
it's already expensive. They're watering it down throughout the day. As people come by, take some, they go in there, spray the tank with water and shit.
Yeah, so going to it, so Ukraine has like about 12 to 14% out of the whole wheat exports worldwide. So that's gonna start hurting us.
That's crazy.
Yeah, first I dismissed the whole we're gonna have food shortage. I'm like, that's impossible. But then when I found out that Ukraine's like 12 to 14%, I was like, oh man, this is really gonna happen now.
So because like transport and all that, like months have to carry on in order for us to feel it.
Yeah, because usually they order in bulk.
Exactly.
And that's the thing about it. And then when you order in bulk, you have that gap of time that you don't need stuff.
Too. It's like 3 months.
And now that it's backed up, it's like now you're going to be years behind. The shortage doesn't only get bad because there's not enough stuff, but it's also because you still have to process all that stuff. And that takes time in itself as well. And when you're doing bulk orders, it's like it just gets crazy really quick.
One of them that is making money and is ripping a lot is Apple. Look at this bad boy. You just look at this, just green.
Bro, they don't hurt, man. What is that? Is that COVID?
No, this is this month.
That was this month.
This was a big.
So the bottom.
Yeah, so it bottom out at 148 on the 15, and look at this rally. Like this is it's just not stopping. And now
that's nice.
So people are taking profits now. But look, so we were here. So most of us are class of 2010, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
actually,
most of us are here. So like the price back then was like $12. I mean, adjusted for splits. So if you bought like a lot, like when we finished high school, now you would have been like a massive.
Damn, man.
As well, that's 100. That's 100x. All right, so I know that we usually save up the memes for like the end, but I think this one's just like everywhere. And
it's relevant because Will Smith stuff. That's like the talk of the week, so we had to throw one in there.
Yeah, and then Tesla just keeps printing out more candies. I guess like it's just ripping. So if doing some TA for Tesla, what do you guys see? It's.
I mean, it sucks that they call it a meme coin. I don't see anything memeish about it.
About what?
About what?
Tesla.
A meme stock?
It's because of him.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's kind of different than it's different than AMC and GameStop. Short squeeze plays. But of course, the Robinhood retail traders love Elon Musk, Tesla. That's kind of like in their wheelhouse. For the TA on this Tesla stock, I'm looking at the RSI and it just went over bot. It passed the 70, so that's a little, scary.
It is.
Yeah, we have.
I'm telling you, these are parabolic, bro. We didn't look at the RSI for the other ones too. It's just you're right. I just noticed that.
Yeah, I didn't bother to look at it, but yeah, you're right. The RSI is topping off. So I guess we'll start getting like a come down or
a little bit. Maybe
start going. Oh, okay. So now I think I see it now.
We'll start going sideways,
and like the volume is starting to like round off. So yeah, we might see a little bit.
We might see something like this. Like I'll go sideways and I'll go down a bit to like 1,000. All 40s, what it's showing. Yeah, you're right. Oh, one thing that I want to kind of go over and kind of make it a thing, or kind of show like every now and then, I want to show the VIX. because
the VIX.
that's one thing that I kind of want to make it up. Kind of want to look at it because right now we are trading at 19. So right now we're at the 19.
Wow.
Now, which is usually anything as of 2020 or as of 2019 going forward, the 20 mark or the 1920 mark is like the new buy. So anytime that we hit 19, 18, 20, 21, like high 10s, low 20s, that's the time to buy. Let me see, zoom out. Where are we at? So I guess this one. I should have done this before. So that's that. And then anytime over, actually, never mind. I'm wrong. Anytime we cross the 30s, it's the time to buy. The VIX is at 20, so like we're chilling. But when it goes to 30, that's when something really is going on. We have this hack that just happened this week. Axie Infinity. Nick, you're the one that kind of thought this.
I mean, this popped up on a couple finance news sites and like social media. But yeah, so Axie Infinity got hacked. The network did, Ronin Network, I believe it's called. But so they were doing some kind of bridge with Ethereum and the Axie token, I think it was. And there was a bug in that code, and some hackers exploited it and made off with 600 million. I'm not sure if that comes out of users' holdings or if it's out of the network, like reserve holdings. I'm not sure, but it shows that there's still vulnerabilities with these crypto games and DeFi. Hacks are still happening, and it's still kind of a Wild West industry until we get some serious regulation.
Yeah, so this is one thing that I always kind of wonder, like, still to right now. So let's say like these type of coins get hacked, right? Like, who do you complain to? Like, can you go to their office and or call customer service and ask, like, hey, can I get my money back? Or like, what the heck? Like, I didn't sign up for this.
Well, yeah, because I mean, the strange part about like this scenario is that it's not like an exchange. So it's like there's no real. I don't feel like there's a real chance for insurance. You know what I mean? Because it's not like
right. Of course
it's not. Yeah. So it's like in this. That's what I was asking earlier. I was like, this is a little bit different because I feel like this is gone. You know what I mean? Unless their team is somehow able to figure out who took it and how they took it or whatever, like this is gone. This is gone.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
It's in the void. You know, it's
so let's say that you hold the token, right? Or you're like, you have something like in their network or like.
How much is their coin right now? Can you check?
Well, okay, so Axie Infinity, you can make money off of it.
65. Did it go down when it happened?
It went down like crazy, bro.
Yeah, so it was at 70 and it dropped to 62. I mean,
that's not bad. That's not bad.
Too bad, but
look at the all-time high.
Oh, I mean, this all-time high was like 150.
Woo, dang.
When was that?
Exactly. That was last
November. I mean, everything was peaking at that time. No.
Yeah, so but pretty much like the whole meta bubble popped.
Yeah,
for sure. It's because they're not doing anything yet.
Yeah, they're not doing it. But going to it, so I guess it dropped from like 70 all the way to like.
That's not too bad. That's like Solana.
Yeah, it's a decent drop. Did you guys see what Wendy's is doing now? So they're teaming up with Facebook in the Horizon world, and they're gonna open up a new VR restaurant, or Wendy's, inside their I guess their land or their world.
Yeah, it's probably like that experience whether you just go in there and you're with your VR thing, you order your food and they probably deliver it through Uber Eats or some shit.
Yeah, but
you
like
order
some
sort of partnership, Baconator fries and
I mean, like, I don't know if you guys remember, but didn't McDonald's had like GameCubes and like games like like in their
oh yeah, they had video games in their play area.
So I mean, do you think Wendy's is taking the same approach, like making a lounge? But Jair, you're the one that holds AMC, right? And all
yes,
yeah. So this week we've been seeing a nice rally of the meme traders. They're coming back, and they're
Did
punching.
GameStop go up too?
Yeah, AMC, GameStop. Yeah, so let me see.
I didn't even check. I don't have GameStop.
Yeah, so although look at it. It's a nice.
damn.
Yeah, look, it passed the RSI, and now it's coming back down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you zoom out, it's it's crushed already. So
Where was it at? When it was down there?
Right here, at the bottom.
Yeah,
it was at 75, and it went all the way to 200. The guy said,
oh damn,
a 199.4.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I guess if you're holding, you should have sold off a few days ago just to get out.
I mean, if you're holding from last year, if you're holding GameStop from last year, you didn't come close to breaking even.
Yeah, some people are not
I didn't
breaking even, but
expensive.
But if you made a profit and you're in the green, yeah, it'd be a good time to get out for sure.
Get out.
All your meme stocks, if you're profitable, get out because you might not get another chance.
Yeah, this looks like it's the last one.
Yeah, this was probably like one of the last few rallies that they're gonna, or like squeezes that they're gonna have.
Yeah, I think people are over it.
I mean, that's
like everything I'm seeing on YouTube and stuff, like everyone's over it.
Good.
Like,
good.
Yeah. So's the SEC. That's why they hold it.
Yeah. What's also the owner too, just fucking cashing out and shit.
Yeah, and then also the Hood made a small comeback.
AMC CEO's cashing out again.
Wait, AMC?
Yeah.
Wait, he's cashing out?
Yeah, he's cashing out
because he rebought. He had bought like fucking.
Yeah, he rebought, and then the stock went up because he was buying. Yeah, and then he's selling again. Classic.
Man,
exactly.
Classic AMC doing what AMC does.
Man, this shit rumpling their own.
Even hit 34, it was halted so fast.
Oh man,
I don't know what I'm gonna buy if I sell that.
Just buy the SPY.
Yeah, it's fine.
Buy the SPY. I mean, I don't know. Just like I would just buy Apple. Honestly, like there's nothing better than Apple. Or I will buy half Apple, half like Microsoft.
If I do Apple, I can get like fucking maybe like 15 of them or 20 of them with the money I have.
Yeah. Go. That's to me. That's the call to go. But yeah. One chart that I kind of do want to show you guys is the Bitcoin season alt index.
Not sponsored by FTX.
No, we're not sponsored yet. So FTX, like, hit us up.
Yeah, hit us up.
Yeah, so I guess like this kind of the RSI that we talk about here. So this is the RSI. This is like an RSI version of the altcoin season. And right now we're at 18, which is kind of good. So right now it's a good time to buy.
Are you saying we're approaching alt season?
Right now we're like in the bottom low. We're like in the so we're
we're like
you're right. All right.
Yeah, it's like Bitcoin season. I think this is showing us that altcoins are kind of maybe frothy.
Yeah.
Not really favorable right now, but Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Yeah, so right now we're at 20. So like, I really hope everyone's loading up on altcoins.
But you know what? Bitcoin season always happens before alt season, right? Because it takes the market up with it.
Exactly.
So if it's Bitcoin season now, and if the economy holds through a potential recession, then we could see a good alt season.
Are those all coins that they're kind of like saying that move the most?
Yeah. So this right here is like the top performers within the 90 days.
See, that's a list I need. I need that.
Yeah, that's what I'm showing it, Jared. Take notes. Just kind of look it up. Just go to Google and put like.
Hey, that XRP is on there.
I know.
Yeah.
Look at Sol.
Let's go.
Look at Sol is all the way down there. That's crazy.
Wait, where's Sol at?
Well, because they took a hit
down there, bro.
Wow, Algo at the end. Wow.
Oh my God! What happened to Sol? Yeah. So if you're holding Sol, you're down. I mean, you're down negative 27%. But what the hell? What is Waves?
Waves is cool. It's kind of like Ocean. It's like a.
You can get it on
some blockchain platform.
You can get it on crypto.com.
Yeah. So So I'm surprised that XRP is outperforming all the blue chip.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not surprised, man. The thing is undervalued right now. They're suppressing that price right now, bro.
It's being suppressed. All right.
Why isn't Ethereum in the green?
No, Ethereum's actually on the red. It's right here.
Right there.
Yeah, it's actually on the red, which is kind of weird because Ethereum kind of moves 2x to whatever Bitcoin does.
Yeah, exactly.
So like in theory, it should be 6% instead of. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's kind of weird.
Well, it's like 2x both ways, right? Up and down. So it's more volatile up and down.
Oh, it makes sense. So it's 3%. I mean, yeah. I guess, yeah, you're right. I could see that.
Because it did dip a lot, like really fast. Like
It did.
What's the TA for this one?
Oh yeah, no wonder. We hit 48, almost 5, and then we went back down to 25.
It's starting to build here, but I don't know.
Yeah, but look at the RSI.
Yeah, RSI is overbought.
Yeah, 72.
So it should start coming down pretty soon.
Looks like it's coming down.
It should.
Yeah.
I think we really have to hit 49 to really start seeing some nice massive spikes, like some aggressive ones, up, then down, and up, then down. I guess 49 is like the key support level for.
I mean, it's still interesting to see that it's holding in the 40s.
Yeah,
it is.
47.
You know what I mean? Ever since it got there, it's been holding in the 40s, and it's gone down to like 38,000 or something like that.
36, 35.
35. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, to bounce back and still be chilling in like 48 right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's super.
We were expecting to hit 30. So
I don't think. Yeah, I feel bad for the people that were waiting to hit 30 and then just never hit. Because I
feel bad for the people that sold at 30 when they bought it at 50.
Dang.
I feel
they bought it at 60.
Dude, that's like fatality.
McMill.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like
McMill. Oh,
the
man.
people that are missing, I feel bad for them. They're missing out, but it's like the people that are losing. It's just like
I feel bad for people that completely sold out. Like they just left, like investing over. I'm like, dang.
Yeah, and then they're sitting on cash, losing 8%.
I know a few people, bro. They were like, when I told them, I was like, hey, man, you should think about getting into crypto now. It's different in time from when you first tried doing it. And they're like, oh, I already rode that roller coaster.
Like that's done. They're done with crypto for life.
Yeah, he was done. I was just like, okay, man.
Dang.
That's crazy because think about it, it's true. Like it peaked at 19K like a long time ago. Wait, was it 19 or 30?
2007, 18.
Yeah, it was like it peaked.
Look at the RSI, like so crazy there.
Yeah, it was massively.
Almost hit 90. Well, they hit 90.
Yeah, and then
that's insane.
Yeah, so that happened, and then
then the rug pull happened.
Yeah, so then the rug pull happens, and then everyone's like depressed and suicidal about it.
So bad.
All right, so that happened, and then the rest is just history. It just goes up, like it just literally goes to the moon.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
It's because you're here, and then I saw that this is gonna go to zero. Like, nope, look at it.
It's insane how accurate the RSI is, man.
Yeah, it's a good indicator. Yeah, it's good.
It's a good indicator. Yeah,
it's good.
It's probably one of the best indicators out there. But yeah. And then, all right. So, it's that. Oh, and then one more chart that I haven't showed here, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people do know about it. It's the Bitcoin rainbow chart. So this is the, what's it called? It's a word for it. I guess the expanding cycles growth for it or something like that.
Yeah, for Bitcoin.
Yeah, so it's just going to keep growing. It's going to keep going up.
Look at the next halving, bro. The next halving, we'll see like 300,000.
Oh, let's go.
That's
2024.
Crazy. It's 2 years.
2024. Oh my God. It's going to be a long time. That's insane. But yeah, so the last halving.
2 years is not bad at all. Man.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, it's not that far. But I remember a lot of people were streaming the last the 2020 halving event.
They were talking about it.
Yeah, they were streaming it, and I know that Nick bought it, right? You bought some.
Oh yeah, around the halving. Yeah, I think I doubled my position with holdings. I bought double than I had at the time, and I remember making that money back not long after. It was cool.
Oh yeah. So you bought when Bitcoin was around 9 to 12K, which back then I remember you.
Yeah, it was under. I remember it was 9K when I first bought in.
Yeah,
or 9 to 10K actually.
yeah, that was pretty good. Like that was a pretty good entry. And I was looking at my man. I dismissed it pretty fast. I didn't think much about it, and then like it really went all the way to like 58K like within a year. I was like, man, I kind of play myself by not buying like the halving event. I was like, oh man. But oh well. Yeah, let's wrap it up. All right. So first meme here is we have this one. We're up. I mean, I'm assuming that everyone's up, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm up like, week over week, but year to date, I think I'm still down.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, same year. Actually, I'm even year to date. I think I'm even.
I looked at. I think I'm down like 4% or something.
No, never mind.
How do you?
I'm red.
You're red. Yeah.
Why am I trying to play myself? I'm red.
Look at the last comment.
What's the last comment?
Sold at forgot to buy it back. Oh my god.
And then, like, I guess, I mean, it's not even a meme. I'm kind of is, but it's all right. I guess BlackRock president, millennials.
I saw an article, but then I think I saw that it was like fake, but I'm not sure because like I was watching a few videos and they all were saying that it was like true, but it was like not sure. But I heard that they're planning on selling low fee cryptos.
Who, BlackRock?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the show, please like, subscribe, share, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok, where we post clips from our episode. So, all right, tune in next week on War Room Finance. Peace.